Hi there, welcome to session 7. In this session, what we're going to do is we're going to go through a fun crossword puzzle. And basically, the aim is for us to test our understanding, to just check if we've understood the principles that we've covered so far. Now, let's just recap on what we've covered, the areas that we covered in the past few sessions. Okay, we started by going through the accounting definition. We defined what accounting is, and that helps us in as we build on the principles that we're learning concerning accounting and double entry. We then proceeded and looked at the accounting equation. If you remember, we said assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. And we said that the accounting equation is actually the building block to accounting. So it's very important. We then covered accounts for double entry and prepared T accounts. And if you remember, we said T accounts are a graphic representation of the ledger. Okay, and then we went through some worked examples. In other words, we used the principles that we learned and applied them to actually post transactions into T accounts. Okay, fantastic. Now in this session, what we're doing is we're going to go through a crossword puzzle. And like I said, the aim is to test your understanding. So I've given you a series of questions that you will use, or clues that you will use to actually complete the puzzle. So the clues are across. Number 1, funds the owner puts into the business. That's a clue. And number 4, across, accounting is the language of, and I want you to complete that. Number 5, something of value that can be converted into cash. 6, what do you do when an asset increases? Number 7, the clues, it's a financial obligation. And then downwards, number 2 is assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. What does that represent? And number 3, going down, what do you do when a liability increases? Fantastic. So those are the clues that you'll use to complete the crossword puzzle. And here's our crossword puzzle. Okay, so you're going to use those clues to complete this puzzle. Now, if you're able to complete the puzzle correctly, it means that you've understood what we've covered so far. Please send me a copy of your puzzle for feedback. Now, if you're not able to answer to complete this puzzle accurately, then my recommendation is please go over the sessions that we covered and then come back and do your puzzle. Okay, so but if you've completed it and you've done it well, then I would encourage you to continue with the sessions that are preceding. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. It's been great having you on board, and I trust that this has been helpful to you. Okay, thanks. Bye.